I'm Maja Šimumović. I come from Zagreb, Croatia. I'm in fashion for almost 20 years. The theme here is what have we learned from our ancestors. Our folklore heritage is very rich, so I was observing the clothes and checking out for patterns I like, and I've chosen these geometrical ones. I'm reinterpreting them in a way that I am making them in different colors, in different techniques, but also I'm kind of making them much bigger than they were in original folklore clothes. The collection that I'm making is consistent of several pieces which can combine together. I'm using natural fabrics which are more durable, sustainable. I will use embroidery machine and also FabLabu to laser the fabric in the shape of patterns that were used as an embroidery in folklore clothes and also interior textiles. After that comes cutting the fabric. I can then put them together by sewing them. If you preserve the clothes correctly, it can actually last for a long time.